Do you want to know how you can change the password on your Wise account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your account password on Wise. Let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any time. Go ahead and open wise.com on any of the browser you have on your PC. Then go ahead and log into your account. After you have logged into your account, click on your profile, which is here on the top right hand side, and go to settings. Then scroll a bit down and you can find change password. Tap on it. And what you need to do now is write down your current password. After you write down your current password, write down the new password which you want to keep on your Wise account now. Talking about the criteria of password, you must keep the password really secure. The password must contain a letter and a number and be minimum of 9 characters. So go ahead and write down the password which you can remember and is really secure. Go ahead and check the password once after you set it up by clicking on this button over here and click Save. After you click Save, you will automatically be logged out of your account. So just go ahead and sign in with the password which you have just kept. Click on Login and there you go. This is how you change your password. Go ahead and write down the OTP code which has been sent to your phone now, and after that you can log into your account. Click on Done after you have write down the code, and there you go. You have just successfully changed your Wise account password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.